These two power supplies supply power for the smaller meanwhile power supply, and this one supplies power for the cars and the cooling fans. As you can see, this is the power cables for the card, and it should be connected to the smaller meanwhile power supply. And this white ACC power cable should be connected to the power supply on and off port. Now we can see the card is on. There's light, and the screen is working. Now we turn off the cigarette lighter and plug it out. And turn off the car's engine. Now we use a multimeter to test the current. Under normal circumstances, the current should be 0.01 ampere because these two power supplies are in standby mode to ensure that the screen can start normally next time.